Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard. Welcome to my first video with my face on it. I hope you like the hat. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an agent using TestProject IO and how easy that is to get your systems configured with Selenium and Appium and all of the systems that need to be set up. And guess what? It's only going to take a couple minutes and we're going to start right now. So the first thing I need to do is enter in my full name and then put in my email address and select a password. And then finally agree to the end user license agreement and click on sign up. I don't need a credit card in order to set this up, which is really great because this is a free forever account that we're using here. Now this will send me a confirmation email. I just click on confirm my email and we're ready to move on. Next, we're going to go and look at the TestProject platform. Now, do notice there is also blogs and forums and add-ons. That's not part of this video. We'll get to those in the future. So the first thing you're going to notice about TestProject is it gives you a lot of really easy wizards to get you through. And the first thing we're going to do is download a TestProject agent. Now, you can do a TestProject agent under Windows, Mac, or Linux. But in this case, I'm a Windows guy, so I'm going to go grab that one. The agent installation might take a few minutes to download, so they give you a video to show you what you're going to be working on with TestProject while you wait. Now at this point we're going to have to give the agent an alias name, and this is why we're naming it to the systems that we're installing on. It's like a bring your own device system, so the device that I'm bringing is going to be Paul's laptop. Now that that's done, we're going to check to make sure that our agent is running, and it's not because we didn't run the executable. So let's still do that. We'll just agree to the license software thing. You'll notice it adds in the mobile and Apple iOS files. And it's putting into a default directory. I like to put mine in the D drive, so I'm just going to change that to D, and then we'll let that install to there. Now, I'm executing this kind of fast here, but I do want to slow it down for a moment. Take a look at this. We're installing the Chrome drivers, the Gecko drivers, everything that you need to execute your test scripts against your mobile devices and your web browsers. And by the way, TestProject will tell you when there's an update available, and you can download it and execute this and get everything all up to date all in one shot. All right, well, now with our final drivers installed, we're going to go and launch the agent. And we know the agent is running when we see the agent pop up. And you'll know that it's working already when we see that the little screen in the upper right hand corner turns from red to green. So it says our agent registration completed successfully. Close that tab. Now that little agent, our monitor screen has turned gray, and in a moment it should turn green to show us that we are active. And we are. We're ready to go. And then it's going to show us a lot of information about what we've got installed. Take a look. We've got our browsers for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and the versions that are installed, and our Java versions, .NET, ADB, all that stuff, all listed out here for us to look at. And in under 10 minutes, we're ready to start creating Selenium test cases. All right, my name is Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard. Do check out some of these other videos I've got up here, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more about cool test automation tool sets that are out there. Thanks a lot. Have yourself a great day.